Okay, so we're given a volume of 1,300 centimeters cubed, and we want to know whether a cube, a cylinder, or a sphere will have the smallest surface area. So let's start with the cube. So in our cube, the volume is given by s cubed. So if volume is equal to 1,300, we can now solve for the side length. It's going to be the cubic root of 1,300. And we get the side length to be approximately 10.91. So now the surface area of a cube is 6s squared. So let's plug in the side length we just found. So we get surface area to be approximately 714.2 centimeters squared. So now let's do the cylinder and see if we can determine which one is larger. So the volume of a cylinder is said in the question that the height is equal to the diameter, or 2r. So the volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared times the height. So volume here is 1,300 and the height is 2r. So now this can be simplified to 2 pi r cubed, and we can solve for the radius by doing the cubic root of 1,300 divided by 2 pi. And so for radius, we get approximately 5.91, and this is in centimeters, and then the height will be double of the radius. So we multiply it by 2 and we get 11.83. So now let's solve for surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. And let's plug in what we got for radius and height. So we got 5.91. And then we got height to be 11.83. And we get surface area to be approximately 658.7, or 8 if we round, centimeters squared. So now last one, we want to do this sphere. So sphere, we know that the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So volume is 1,300. And we can solve for our r by doing the cubic root of 1,300 divided by 4/3 pi. And so for radius, we get approximately 6.77 centimeters. Okay, so now let's look for the surface area of our sphere. Surface area is given by 4 pi r squared. So let's plug in the radius we got. And we get surface area to be approximately 576.0. So now we can see that the sphere was the smallest. The surface area of a sphere was smallest, and then it was the surface area of our cylinder. And then the surface area of the cube was the largest one.